Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at the best curbside deals over at Walgreens. And lots of free items and some cheap items. A lot of hair and supplement, vitamin sort of stuff as well, completely for free. So what a curbside deal means is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check. You're putting in an order that way, and you're paying for it and driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. And you can use little discount codes with that, so this is how a lot of people prefer to shop. Now, if you like these sort of videos, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have the hype button, I know a lot of you do on desktop computers or your cell phone, please consider hitting it to promote the video. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that likes to do deals in store with register rewards and you kind of want to see what you're buying, yesterday's video, I will link it at the very end. Go and check it out. There's lots of deals with register rewards and other magic. Now, a lot of us got this 5 back on any transaction. This is not a booster. This is just go do a deal, get $5 of Walgreens cash, which is kind of like a magical little thing. And I don't know why not all of us get it. It is somewhat frustrating. But any of these deals, I mean, you don't even need to use Walgreens cash. Some of them you have to, but the last one you don't. Or if you just go in the store and buy a Pepsi, I mean, just if this is on your account, you can use Walgreens cash and you're still going to get it. I did a deal. It was only on my main account. My husband didn't get one, and I did it just the one time, and it worked perfectly, and I used Walgreens cash on the transaction. Okay, so let's talk really quickly about Christmas clearance. Over at Walgreens on Tuesday, January the 6th, it's supposed to go 80%. And I will confirm with you guys over on Instagram when I have the information tomorrow morning. As of Monday, January the 5th, Walmart did go 90%. If there's anything left at your store, I wish you guys good luck. I know that's going to be a little bit of a treasure hunt to find anything decent, but if you've had your eye on something that's still in store, I would go and get it today, which is the 5th. Let's go to deal number 1. This first deal is involving this. 10 back when you spend $25 on Walgreens brand vitamins and supplements. Now, this is where it gets really goofy. There's another promotion that's double stacking. So obviously, I don't know why these two are stacking, but they are. They might pull this in the middle of the week because I don't think they want people to get $20 on a $25 basket. But I'm just going to show you what I threw into it. And if you have that 5 back on any transaction, it would make $25 of vitamins completely for free. So where that double stack is showing, it's mostly like these hair, skin, nail supplements. They're on a buy one, get one free promotion at $9.99. So throwing 2 of them into a cart, you have $9.99 tracking. And then I also threw into my cart this friend, which is the $11.99 hair, skin, and nail gummies. I used to try these all the time. I do enjoy these. They're just so expensive, so I'm really happy about this week. And then the final thing I threw into the basket for a little bit less, another one of these Walgreens brand hair, skin, and nail gummies. And this is an 80 count. So you're getting like 160 vitamins for $8. It's still a great deal. So just to show you, I could use the code WAG10 for this, and $3 is coming off. So that's fantastic. The overall total here is $29.97. Subtracting 3, it's $26.97. You're still at that $25 threshold. There is no tax on this in the state of Michigan. So with my debit card, I'm going to pay $26.97, as the promotion is to spend $25 to earn back $10. So that's why. So I'm going to get back $21.45. And if I had that additional 5 back on any transaction, it would make this all completely free. What a deal. Okay, the next basket that we have is with this, the 10 back when you spend $45 on P&G items. If you're doing this in store, I think it's to spend $35 to earn back a $7 register reward. It has a super quick expiry date, like the next day. And then some people say that sometimes that $7 coupon won't scan. It brings that black screened error, like coupon already scanned. So I think doing it curbside is probably the smartest way. First item that we're tossing into the basket is 2 of these 32 count Gain Flings for $15.99, so that's $31.98. We have a $3 digital and a $2.05. You would just go below the product and press the plus sign to load both of those. We have a Tide Pod also for $15.99. It is the 32 count, and we have a $3 digital for that one. Make sure you load it. And the final item is a $15.99 Downy laundry scent booster beads, and we have a $3 digital for that. Alternatively, if you wanted to go with Tide Liquid for $15.99, that works as well. None left in my store, so I went with this. Now, just to show you our gorgeous chorus line, 33205, and then using the code SAVE20, an additional $10.59 melting off. And that's exactly what we're talking about, curbside deals. The overall total is $63.96. We have $10.59 melting off. So we're still at that threshold of $45 for the spend $45 to earn back $10. Free curbside pickup, tax $11.04 in digital coupons melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $45.53 as it's a spend $45 to earn back $10. Now, if you have that little $5 transaction thing, you'd get back $15 instead of the $10, but at least it's a deal for some cheaper, really big laundry products. And I know some of us really like to have these larger items in our stockpile. Okay, so the last deal that we're going to be looking at, if you might have this, it's a really great deal. Now, as the week marches on, if truck shows up, you could definitely do this deal, especially if you live in a larger town. They probably get a truck on Wednesday or later in the week. It's to grab 2 of these L'Oreal Paris Collagen Moisture. Gosh, it's so long. It's a moisturizer. They're $11.99. Buy one, get one 50% off with the 10 off 2 digital coupon. And to get the basket to 10, we're also going to throw in 3 of these toilet papers. Buy 2, get 1 for free, which I'm not complaining about too much this week. I think it's a pretty great little deal, as we love toilet paper. Okay, so using the code GLOW, you're going to get an additional $5 off, and then we have that 10 off of 2 for the L'Oreal Paris. That's $15 off, guys. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic, and with that 5 off any transaction, it would make it a complete freebie. The overall total for this is $27.98, $5 coming off with GLOW, $10 manufacturer, so $14.36. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $4.36 for 2 L'Oreal collagens and 3 things of toilet paper. This is winning. And if you can't track down these collagens earlier in the week, possibly if they restock, you can do the deal later in the week. Definitely worth checking on the app. That's it for this video. Yesterday's in-store video linked right here. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.